So this E-Ray belongs to Joe from Super 8 Creations. Good guy. I was here last year when he picked up this E-Ray at the National Corvette Museum with the museum delivery. Great experience. That's on Rick Corvette Conti's channel. So anyway, hey, tell us what we got going on, Joe.
Hey man, good to see you again. I got the 2025 E-Ray. It's a year and a day old from the day of delivery. Like you said, I took delivery at the Bash last year, and I am still as over the top about this car as I was the day that I got it. I've done my, few upgrades, personalizing it and everything. And some of the things that I've done just recently at Paragon is I had here, the car's turned on, you'll see it. This is the lighted LED lighted, they call it grill guards, and it's nice because it accentuates the lights here, and you got the LED with the turn signals integrated into that. So those are nice. These here are just cosmetic for car shows and things of that nature. Gives a little extra flair. On the side, one of the things that people really like and ask me about all the time are the fender flares.
Oh yeah, man, the fender flares.
Gives the illusion that the car is lowered and it hasn't been touched at all, but it takes up that gap. Also with the carbon fiber, it accentuates the carbon fiber that's already on the car. So as you said, it's a nice look. Wide body, I've got the extenders on the wheel, spacers, so pushes the wheels out. I like the stock wheels on the E-Ray. In my opinion, some of the best looking wheels that they put on wide body C8s. Another thing I did just to personalize it, I do have the clear top here, transparent top, but I color matched it on the side so that way it blends in.
Oh, okay.
You can't really tell it's a transparent top unless you really look at it.
So is that a wrap or paint, or how'd you do
paint.
that?
My painter color matched it to the car.
Man, that's excellent.
I did that on my Stingray, and I had to do it also on the E-Ray so that way it blends in. And you have to take the top off, so still get some light coming through there.
It kind of reminds me of the look of the C7. Yeah, done like that.
Exactly. That's the way it really, in my opinion, should have come from the factory. But
right,
I think it's a good look. Once again, fender flares on the back, the wide body, mud splash guards on the car from ACS. A lot of ACS stuff on the car. Color matched the brake calipers. If you watch the video that Rick Conti did, he gave me some guff about the fact that I ordered the car with the red calipers. I knew I was going to be doing this all along. I did like the orange ones that you can order OEM because they don't match. So
yeah, it's like a metallic orange.
Exactly.
Yeah.
More like a coppery color. So this obviously color matched to the car. So it does stand out. And then coming around to the back of the car, what I've got is a color match X-Brace, which I made the decals and everything I do myself with. Super 8 Creations, I do my own decals and stuff like that, my TAD sticker, or my Zora sticker and everything like that.
Hey man, tell me about this engine cover, because this engine cover is pretty sweet.
Yeah, so I did the engine cover. I got it from a company, whose name I can't remember at the very second, but according to Carlisle, they have all the vendors there, and they have any combination that you could possibly want. They have or anything that they haven't done. It's just a matter they haven't done it yet. Yeah. So we're able to personalize that and get the carbon flash and the orange and everything to match up. So there's continuity there with everything. Also the caps and everything came from the same company. And then also this cover here as well, the Super 8 cover, they also do. So I'll get you the information on that if you want to put it in your link, but at the same time it just kind of brings everything together. And then I have my painter while the car was in to also paint this bottom balance.
Oh man,
so it brings the it accentuates this part of the car by having this all color match to the rest of the car along with the license plate cover.
All right, so tell me about the lights, because those don't look like those are stock, right?
So these are pretty popular right now. They call these the Euro lights. And
okay.
The bottom is, even though they look great, with my car I got rid of all the red. So what this is it's gray when they're not on, but they illuminate in red. So it looks really cool at nighttime. But in the daytime, when you look at it, the aesthetics of the car, the theme is orange, gray, or silver.
Yeah,
black.
Everything matches.
It matches. And even I had to do this. I got lucky. Michigan came out with black license plates with the white, so I was able to switch over to that too. Super.
Man, that's outstanding.
It basically all blends in. So until they change the color of the sticker, everything is
working.
Color coded. So
man, you have the habanero interior as well, right?
Exactly, the habanero interior. So
oh man,
brings the orange inside the car. One of the things I also did was the car has quite a bit of the. So it's got the orange and it's got the Alcantara on The top, of course, because this is a 3LZ. But one of the things I did, now Rick Conti also, tried to caution me against this. I got the competition seats.
Yeah,
when I ordered
man.
the car. He's like, Joe, I don't know if you're gonna be comfortable with the competition seats.
Yeah.
And so I said, I think I'll be fine. 3 hours into the ride home, I was like, I think
Were your legs going numb?
a little bit. So what I was able to do, fortunately, after talking to one of the engineers, they set me up with the GT2 seat. So I've got the competition back,
man,
but
okay.
the GT2 now seat that I sit on, and no more issues at all with
you know what?
long rides in the car.
That's a good. So you have the side bolstering of the competition, but
Right.
better comfort of
Exactly.
the GT2.
Exactly. So I've
That's
got
all
all
right.
the information, and I keep saying I'm going to put it on YouTube. So
You
now
should, man.
anybody can do, because you can elevate a competition or a GT2 seat to a competition seat and vice versa.
And vice
Or you
versa,
can mix
just
and
by
match
swapping out
all
the parts.
OEM and everything. So that's
Okay.
that's doable. So
That's excellent. I sat in one of the cars yesterday, one of the Grand Sports, and it had competition seats in it. And as soon as and I'm not a big guy, and as soon as I sat in it, and right away I was like, oh no, this will be way too tight for me.
Exactly.
So
Exactly. So they're not for everybody. So mostly all of the little styling
all right.
things I've done. I mean, I got the throttle body put on at Paragon last week, and they also did the DCT release switch. So if I do ever get stranded, I can put the car in neutral. So that's something that they did. The air scoops under the bottom is supposed to keep the engine a little bit cooler.
Okay,
so
you got those from Paragon as well?
Paragon as
yeah, I have those as well. I haven't installed them yet, but I have them. So yeah, man, this is an amazing vehicle. It was beautiful when you picked it up last year, and so it's even more amazing now. I appreciate you showing me around, man. Thank you.
No problem.